So we're the team that goes in to help people once they come out of hospital regain their independence slowly. So we go in for 6 weeks at a time and we help them regain their independence, do things on their own, but we're there to support them if they need us. Sometimes it's just having a chat. People just want to have someone to talk to whilst they do the dishes, for example. I can help them prepare their meals. Just having somebody there, isn't it, to help them regain their confidence of being around their own home. Even if I go in and I just don't say anything, just knowing that they're there. Without us, they wouldn't be able to manage on their own. It makes me feel good, helping people. I'd say to people who are thinking about starting their career off in care, it's like a foot in the door. It's like a good opportunity. You can go anywhere. You can go with like children, adults. You can even go to like social work. It's up to you, but it is a rewarding job, very rewarding.
Ymunwch â thîm Conwy. Conwy.gov.uk/Swyddi